In the digital age, cybersecurity is a critical component of business strategy. Companies allocate risk budgets to mitigate potential cyber threats and attacks. Effective risk management involves assessing vulnerabilities and prioritizing protection. Compliance with regulatory requirements is also a key consideration for organizations. Insurance policies can provide financial protection against cyber breaches and incidents. Enterprise sales teams must navigate complex cybersecurity landscapes to close deals. Cybersecurity dashboards provide real-time monitoring and threat detection capabilities. Data centers house sensitive information, requiring robust security measures and protocols. Surveillance cameras in cities and public spaces raise concerns about data privacy and security. Startups and small businesses often struggle to implement adequate cybersecurity measures. GPU server racks enable advanced threat detection and artificial intelligence-powered security systems. By understanding the hidden economics of cybersecurity, businesses can make informed decisions about risk budgets and protection. Compliance requirements shape the cybersecurity landscape significantly today. Regulatory bodies enforce strict standards for data protection and privacy. Non-compliance can lead to substantial fines and reputational damage easily. Businesses must allocate sufficient risk budgets to address these concerns. Insurance policies specifically designed for cybersecurity risks are emerging. These policies offer financial protection against potential breaches and attacks. Enterprise sales strategies often involve showcasing robust security measures. Startups and established companies alike must prioritize cybersecurity investments. Privacy settings and surveillance cameras reflect the blurred lines between security and intrusion. Data center servers and GPU server racks form the backbone of modern cybersecurity infrastructure. Security operations rooms monitor and analyze threats in real time continuously. By understanding these hidden economics, companies can navigate the complex cybersecurity landscape effectively. Companies invest in cybersecurity insurance to mitigate potential losses effectively. Risk budgets are allocated based on compliance requirements and potential threats. Insurance coverage options vary, including data breach and cyber extortion policies. Understanding coverage options is crucial for businesses to make informed decisions. Data center servers and cybersecurity dashboards play a critical role in risk assessment. Surveillance cameras in cities and privacy settings on devices are also considered. Startup teams use whiteboards to strategize and map out potential risks and solutions. GPU server racks in cloud data centers process vast amounts of threat data. Security operations rooms analyze threats in real time to inform insurance decisions. Enterprise sales teams must navigate complex cybersecurity landscapes to succeed. Compliance with regulations is a key factor in determining insurance premiums. By analyzing these factors, businesses can make strategic cybersecurity investments. Enterprise sales teams must understand C-suite executives' risk budgets and priorities. Security solutions are often sold as a means to mitigate potential financial losses. Compliance with regulations is a key factor in determining the overall cost of security. Insurance premiums can be reduced by implementing effective cybersecurity measures. C-suite executives must balance the cost of security with the potential cost of a breach. Risk budgets are allocated based on the potential impact of a security incident. Enterprise sales teams must demonstrate the value of their security solutions. Security dashboards provide visibility into the effectiveness of security measures. Surveillance cameras and sensors can detect potential security threats in real time. Startup teams are developing innovative security solutions using AI and machine learning. GPU server racks are being used to power complex security analytics and modeling. By investing in cybersecurity, businesses can protect their assets and reputation. startups face unique cybersecurity challenges, balancing risk and budget constraints. Compliance requirements can be overwhelming, with various regulations to navigate. Insurance policies can help mitigate losses, but premiums are rising rapidly. Enterprise sales teams must understand the value proposition of cybersecurity solutions. A startup's risk budget is crucial, determining how much to invest in security. Data center servers, like those shown, are critical infrastructure for cybersecurity. GPU server racks, used for complex analytics, are a significant investment. Surveillance cameras, like those in city streets, can be vulnerable to hacking. A startup team, gathered around a whiteboard, must consider these factors. Privacy settings, like those on a person's laptop, are essential for security. Enterprise sales require a deep understanding of the buyer's security needs. By investing in cybersecurity, startups can protect their assets and reputation. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.